In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the bookmarks bar missing problem on your Google Chrome browser. Whether you're a seasoned internet user or just getting started, we all know how important it is to have quick access to our favorite sites through the bookmarks bar. When this handy feature goes missing, it can be pretty frustrating. But don't worry, we've got a simple solution that will get it back in no time. Navigating the ins and outs of browser settings might seem intimidating at first, but I'll walk you through each step to make it as smooth as possible. To start, open your Google Chrome browser. Right at the top right corner, you should see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button, and it holds the key to solving our problem. Click on these dots to open the drop-down menu. From here, you want to hover over the option labeled Bookmarks. Once you hover over Bookmarks, a secondary menu will appear on the left. Here, you should see an option that says Show Bookmarks Bar. If there's no check mark next to this option, that means it's currently disabled. Simply click on Show Bookmarks Bar, and voila, your bookmarks bar should reappear beneath the address bar. It's worth noting that sometimes the bookmarks bar can disappear due to Chrome updates or accidental clicks. Keeping it enabled doesn't just give you easy access to your favorite sites, but it's also a time saver, especially if you rely on your bookmarks daily. Now, if for some reason the bookmarks bar doesn't show up after doing this, there might be another underlying issue, such as a corrupted browser profile or a disabled settings sync. In such cases, try restarting your Chrome browser to refresh the settings. Open it back up and see if that solves the issue. Sometimes the layout might appear slightly different, especially if you're using a different version of Chrome, but don't panic. If you keep the 3 dots in mind, that's your gateway to accessing all the configuration options you might need. For additional peace of mind and an extra layer of troubleshooting, you can always check if your Chrome browser is up to date. Keeping your browser updated ensures that you have the latest features and security patches and minimizes the risk of encountering such issues. Finally, remember that you can make bookmarks directly from this menu by selecting Bookmark this tab, which will prompt a dialog box where you can customize the name and location of the bookmark. With these steps, not only have you learned how to bring back your bookmarks bar, but you've also got a couple of pro tips to keep your browsing experience smooth and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any other questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your browsing experience.